Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking for a simple and easy drop foot brace to help you get that range of motion? Well, this one here is very easy to use by JOMECA. The knob adjustment drop foot brace is really cute and great and versatile with many different shoes and feels comfortable with or without socks, and does provide me with just enough lift so that I'm not spraining my left ankle like usual. There are two Velcro straps around my ankle that secure into place so it does not slip off and stays sturdy. There's a Velcro strap that goes down low on my shoelace that's attached to the large wire that's made of steel, and it has ultra fine rubber that covers it, and it is secure. I love the tension, and I love how it holds the tension into place. You push in this reel, turn it clockwise to tighten it, and then it stays in place, providing me with that lift. One thing I like is how simple it is to use. To release, you just pull out the reel and immediately it releases the tension of the wire, and then you can unstrap everything. So, one thing too, not only does it work great as far as getting that lift, it also doesn't stand out as super obvious. So, it's very minimalistic. It's not going to draw a ton of attention, which is also a plus and bonus for me and helps me to want to wear it more often. I really like the range of motion that I get while wearing this. I like the way that it was made. It's a high quality brace that's simple and easy to use and really provides exactly the lift that I am looking for. So I highly recommend it.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.